What's up YouTube, and my Midjourney fanboys, I have a quick update for you that you need to know about. Midjourney has just added an amazing feature that changes everything. I will show you what it does, what it's capable of, but of course, how to use it. I'm talking about the remix feature.
This is the remix edition of a song about peace and
Whoa there, discount store R. Kelly. I didn't say all that. Anyways, this thing is great and will significantly change AI art in Midjourney big time. Remix gives you the ability to go back into a prompt and slightly change a picture based on some additional text you add to a prompt. This is a game changer because it is very difficult to attempt to achieve this effect without the assistance of programs such as Artbreeder or DALL-E 2. I can't stress how great this new feature is, and I'm so glad Midjourney stepped up their game and gave this to us. The possibilities are endless now, and we can constantly refine a picture over and over till we get what we want or create a series of pictures with similar themes. Man, it is so hard to keep up with how fast this AI landscape is moving. It seems like last month we just got the remaster feature that was able to clean up our ugly photos, and now this. Plus last week we had Facebook Meta's announcement for amazing coherent text to video that got one up the next day by Google's Imagen AI art stuff. It's like they are all trying to one up each other. What douchebags, right? Good for us though. Alright, let's get into the meat and potatoes. To use this feature you will have to go into Midjourney settings. You can do this by typing /settings and pressing enter, and at the bottom right of your settings you will see the option for the remix mode. Just click on that and you will have access to the remix mode. But Daniel, how do I access this cool and awesome feature? After I enable it in settings you say, well, through the variation feature. If you didn't know by now, the V1 button under your newly created picture stand for variations. Another way to do this is through the Make Variations button.
Obviously.
Now the variations buttons will give you a remix prompt that will allow you to add extra parameters to the prompt and even puts in the seed for the original prompt to keep your image consistent. I was going to do a tutorial on seeds in Midjourney, but this feature already does that, so maybe not. After selecting the remix feature in settings, your variation feature will now give you the option to change your pictures ever so slightly. All you got to do is add a parameter to the remix prompt after clicking the variations button, and you got it, man. You want to turn your character into a baby? Sure, you can do that. You want to give your character dog ears? Why not? You want to go through the stages of life for your model from infant, adult, and grandpa or grandma? Absolutely. Maybe you just want to change the character's eye color. Well, now you can. Just add that to your variation prompt until you get the desired result. I should also mention that you can access old pictures through your Midjourney homepage and then copy the job ID. And now you can type /show in the Discord prompt and paste the copied job ID, and you will get that old picture in your current workspace, so you can remix it like no tomorrow. Another reason this feature is so awesome is because you now have more control over your creations. In the past you were subject to AI's randomness, but now this feature will allow you to keep close to the original source material by just adding your new instructions, while using seeds to keep unexpected changes to the minimum. This means you can make slight adjustments to fix up a messed up eye, add symmetry to your model's face, or even turn your design into a pattern using the --tile command. You can also now create a comic strip, because with the slight variations you can get a similar model every time and change things in the background. Not to mention the things you can do with animation, if you have the patience to make a crap ton of images. This will even work for time lapses or turning a thriving city into a post-apocalyptic wasteland. There is so many benefits of this one addition to Midjourney, and this makes it so much easier to create art with this tool. No more trying to fix a small feature and getting a completely new image. This is pretty amazing, and you should jump in there and try it out now. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, sayonara, aloha, adios, zajian, alavada, aniyan, paralam, and please come again.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it.